So what you can also do is you can use edit suggestions inside of Google Photos. So to go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and open up a picture that you have right here. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto edit right here. So once you go around onto edit, you can see that I have different suggestions. Like I have an option to enhance this photo, use dynamic right here, use warmth or cool, as you can see right here. So just by one click, you can see that there are some suggestions that I can actually apply right here, just like this. Apart from that, let me just discard this editing right here and then go back. And over here, what I also have is, let's say, for example, this image right here. So depending on the images that I have, the suggestions might change as well. So now this particular photo right here has a face, so it says portrait. So I can go ahead and choose portrait right here to get portrait type of effect. You can go for dynamic, you can go for color pop or black and white portrait right here, just like this as well. And it actually recognizes what type of photo it is. So let's just go back right here as well. And if I were to go around over here, then I can click on the edit button right here. Then what happens is that I have this. So you can see that the enhance will give more option now. So there's dynamic, as you can see right here. There's portrait as well. So once you do portrait, you can see that it actually takes these tires as main portrait area. But anyways, let me just go to color pop, and then you got a bit of colors right here. You got vivid, you got luminous, radiant. So all you need to do is click right here, just like this, and then you actually get the output right here. So you can go for black and white portrait, stormy, and then save out a copy right here, and then it'll save out a copy. So whenever you're editing and there's massive changes, then it'll allow you to save out a copy so that the original photo remains as it is. So you can see the before right here, just like this, and the after right here, just like this, which is done just by one click. And that is how you can utilize edit suggestions inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.